This is a bass guitar lesson that's going to demonstrate 4 different ways to play the bass. The first is using your thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. Or using a pick. Or using your fingers. Or using your thumb this way. Now that you've seen the difference, let's talk about the pros and cons and give you a chance to hear the differences more clearly. So let's start with the thumb. I think that works well for slower songs because it's really hard to play fast with the thumb. It's just not something that's very conducive to faster bass parts. So for that, I like to use a pick. Here's what it sounds like. I love the way it sounds, and I love that it gives me the ability to play faster. If I need to move around to different strings quicker, then I find using 2 fingers the best. I could use all 5 fingers, but I'm going to just demonstrate using 2 fingers. So here's an example. Or I can do something like this, using multiple fingers this way. So that's the advantage of using multiple fingers. Let's talk about a different way to use the thumb. It's like a percussion instrument. There's a bone in your thumb that works really great for knocking and ricocheting your thumb off the string to create a sound like this. Have a listen. Now that takes a little bit of practice. It also works great for funky styles when you respond with a finger pluck. All right, let's demonstrate the 4 methods again, this time with the band, playing them in such a way that I think represents the capabilities and style with each method. So let's start off with the thumb. 1, 2, 3, 4. This is kind of good for slow songs, I think. So here's how I like to use a pick. Maybe something that requires a little bit more speed and a different type of sound. 1, 2, 3, 4. And if I need to move around the strings faster, I like to use my fingers like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. And last, I like to use my thumb and pluck technique for kind of funky style music. Let's try it. 1, 2, 3, 4.